The metaverse continues to gain ground on the digital space. With numerous huge companies buying into and believing so much in the future of the metaverse, it sure seems to be the next logical investment for anyone with means. In today's video, I'll talk about Metaverse ETF and what the future looks like for them, according to experts. Side note, if you're new to the crypto world and would like to start your investment journey, grab some free Bitcoin by using the links in the description. Also keep in mind that the content on this channel is created for edutainment only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Do your own research before you invest in any asset. Now let's get into it. What is the metaverse? The metaverse, many have said, is the future of the internet. It is a 3D virtual world where users are able to move around in customized avatars and do just about anything from interacting with one another to buying and selling with an actual sense of presence. The concept has been around for decades and has been adopted across various platforms, especially in gaming. The recent uproar concerning the metaverse has found it applied in many more platforms with much more advancement. Although no one has a crystal clear picture of what exactly this metaverse technology is up to, we're all just sitting and watching it unfold before our eyes. What are Metaverse ETF? Metaverse ETF are exchange-traded funds or a basket of securities that trade on an exchange just like a stock. In this case, I'm considering the Roundhill Metaverse ETF. This particular ETF lets people invest in a bunch of the companies that are either already making the metaverse happen or are positioned to do so in the future. The fund has now surpassed $300 million in assets under management. The Roundhill Metaverse ETF is designed to offer investors exposure to the metaverse by tracking, before fees and expenses, the performance of the Metaverse Index, Meta Index. The Meta Index is managed by Ball Metaverse Research Partners, a newly formed indexing and research firm led by Ball. The Ball Metaverse Index seeks to track the performance of globally listed equity securities of companies that engage in activities or provide products, services, technologies, or technological capabilities to enable the metaverse and benefit from its generated revenues. Under normal circumstances, at least 80% of the fund's net assets will be invested in metaverse companies, which may include investments in ADR or SPACs. The fund is non-diversified. With the digital space booming with metaverse news updates, Roundhill Metaverse ETF promises to be an extremely profitable investment. Although some argue that its future is largely uncertain, others have likened the experience to investing in Apple back in 1995, a massive return of investment. A couple of myopic folk who preferred to sit in the safe zone missed out on this great harvest. And some investors may be doing the same with Metaverse ETF today. As at the time of this video, the ETF has a market price of $15.84 and has been relatively stable. At the rate in which the digital space and all the companies that matter are drifting towards the metaverse, it is a fairly realistic prediction that just in a few years to come, Metaverse ETF investors would be yielding gains in multiples, and the rest of the world would be wishing they had made a move in this direction earlier. With this, I conclude today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section what you think about Metaverse ETF. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive updates on great content like this. See you in the next video.